Hello friend, welcome back. Now you can be an expert in testing the links, learning about different kinds of HTTP status code, and all about the Check My Links tool. We are introducing Check My Links certification, which will help you to learn all about Check My Links, testing the links, what are the different kinds of status code, and lot more things. So before you take this certification, I will explain like all the things about check my links, different kinds of these status code, which will help you to clear this test. Also, it will help you to skill up your learnings as well. So here under resources, first of all, like where you can find the certification under resources, you can see that here certification is there. So if you click here, you will find all the certificates provided by the SelectorsHub. So here the last here currently you can see that check my link certification. So if you click here, it will open the form from where you can take the quiz and get your certificate. If you will score 75% above or 75%, then you will get the certificate. So now let's see what all things are there. Then we will like later you can take the certification after learning from this video. So here, like if we go to any page and you wanted to test about like you wanted to test all the links in this page, so how you can find out the broken links, what all are the valid links, redirect valid links, if there is any warning, how you can identify. So first of all, like you can do it manually, of course, but that will take a lot of time. So here with the help of check my links, when you click on the logo of check my links, if you are a new user that you don't know how to install and all, so let me just first show that. So here you open any website, like let's say google.com. Okay, on this page, how you can get the check my link. So here from the SelectorsHub website, like if you go to home page here, so check my links is there. If you open this, from here you can add to Chrome or any other browser you want to add. You click here and you will find all the links for different browsers as well. So you can, from here you can install and then you can use it. Okay, so that's how you get the check my links. And now after getting that, you open any page, like let's say we open google.com. Now here if you click on this check my links logo, it will open like this, and then it will scan and get all the links, showing you the result here, like 9 valid links, 9 valid redirect links, warnings, invalid links. So how you can learn about these status codes. So this tool itself will help you to learn about these status code of different kinds of links. So like if you see that if you hover on this, so you get to know, okay, what is the status code for the valid links. It is between 200 to 299. Valid redirect link, it is between 300 to 399. Then warnings, then invalid links, so that can be like a lot more. Range is too big, so that we haven't mentioned here, but these two, like valid links, if somebody will talk about like valid links, so what could be the status code for the valid links? It could be between 200 to 299, as well as this is also valid link, right? Just that like it is going to be redirect. So then if someone asks like valid link status code, you can say between 200 to 399, or you can say 200 to 299 and then 300 to 399, but between 300 to 399 is a valid redirect link. Then these are like the simple concept, actually not just simple, like very important concept if you are testing the links. Then if like what all other features are there in check my links when you click on this. Also at the same time, let me also show you like if we have some invalid links, so what could be the status code in those scenarios. That list is very long, but still like some of these could be, like here you see that valid status code like 0, so that could be like range is very long for in case of like invalid or broken link. Okay, then here you have in check my links, lot of features are there, like you can download the complete report. First of all, like you can export all the links report from here. You can click and then all the links will be there in this report. Then if you want like export individually, exclusively just valid links, then you can download as well as you can view. If you just want the like valid redirect, that you can do. If you just want warning, that you can do. If you just want like invalid links, then you can download or view, both you can do. you can also view all. Like if you, let's say you don't want to download, you just want the view all the complete links which are there in this page, so that also you can do. Here you can download in CSV format, Excel format. Here you can filter, like currently it is showing 300, 200, all the status code, but let's say you just want any particular status code, like we want all the links which having the status code as 300, then you can select and you see that the filter is there in the report option. So this way you can get that. Then here you have a feature of like drag and drop. Like suppose some links are behind this particular window, you see that we are not able to access these links, so you can move this window. Like you can click move left, now window is here, you can see these links as well, so access that. You can also drag and drop, like if you click on this button, then you can move this window here and there wherever you want, so you will be able to access that those links as well on the left and right if something is getting hidden behind this. Then if you click close and then you open it again, it will open. This is opening on the left side because we have capped that. If you want to move it towards right, then again you have to click here. Then like you see that here it is highlighting all the links with a color, with some color, just to let you know that okay, these all are the valid link, valid redirect link. But suppose you wanted to change these colors, so you have an option to change the color as well, because these both the greens are like very similar. If somebody is not able to identify with bare eyes, then they want to change it, so in that case you can change the color as well. So whatever color you want, that you can change here. If you want to change like any of these, that you can do. If you want to remove the color highlight, you can highlight remove the color as well. Like you don't want to highlight the color, then you can remove that. Okay, like here if we open some other page and click here, so you will see that the links will be highlighting with that particular color which you have chosen here. Like if we change this to suppose red or anything, then in that case it will be changing with that color. So you can change the color as well. So we have seen this, all these features, like you can do move, and then you can also refresh reset all the setting. You can click and then all the settings will be reset. Now here very important features are available under settings as well. Like suppose in this case, let's say we are on any particular website, here on SelectorsHub.com we wanted to test all the links which are in this page from different domain, not from SelectorsHub. Okay, so in that case you have an option in selectors in check my links that you can exclude a particular domain URL. So by default, if you click on this check my links logo, it will scan all the links in this page, but you want to exclude some of the website links or some domain. So here click on setting, then you see that here exclude link from these domains. So by default we have excluded some of the domain name, but let's say you want to exclude some more, so that you can include here. Let's say I want SelectorsHub.com links to be excluded. Like I wanted to test all the links in this particular page which are not from SelectorsHub.com. Okay, so let me close this, and here after entering this domain we'll click on save my preference, and then if we open SelectorsHub.com, now if we will click on this check my links logo here, you will observe that it is getting only 24 links out there while there were more than 200, and it is showing me the result. You see that none of them got highlighted. If you view all report, if you click on this, you see that none of them there is no link which has the SelectorsHub.com domain. So this way you can test some links in your domain, in your website, which are not from your domain very easily. So this is a great feature in check my links, available under setting. Then you have a lot of options here. Like let's say there are some links in your DOM, in your HTML, which has anchor tag but the link value is empty. So in that case by default those are excluded, but you can include them as well. You can include empty links in the report as well, like which has the empty text or something like that. There is no href value, like you can see that what conditions those are, so that this you can do that. Anchor tag without href tag, href attribute, so that also you can include, like if you want to include them. And then cache valid link. So all these settings are available under like check my link settings, so those you guys can do it. There's a simple browser plugin. It is available only for browsers, desktop browser, not for mobile browser. Yes, so you can do it, like you can use it as a for the mobile browser, but you will have to open this desktop browser as a mobile browser, not like on your mobile phone you can install, no, but here you can use this way. So this can work for a mobile web when you open your website this way by clicking on this DevTools toggle off for mobile. So there you can use it, like here if you choose any iPhone or something, that you can use here check my links this way, but not on your phone. There's a simple browser plugin. It's not available for the mobile native apps. It's available for different browser. That all things you can check for all which all browsers it is available, and then there are many settings. So this is how it is going to help you guys a lot. I hope this tutorial you found useful to use this particular tool to learn about all the features of check my links. And now you can go and take this certification. Hopefully you will be able to clear it if you have learned, if you have understand everything, you have noticed everything what I have discussed in this particular session. So you can take this certificate and get your beautiful certificate of check my links and get certified yourself. You can mention this on your LinkedIn profile, so that will help you in your resume as well as in your interview, and let the others to understand that okay, you at least you have some basic knowledge about the testing of the links. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.